Here's how you can blow dry the butterfly haircut step by step. Start by blow drying the hair until it's 80% dry, because it's really hard to round brush soaking wet hair. Now for sectioning, create a mohawk around the parting. This is where you're going to create volume, and the section shouldn't be wider than your round brush. Use diagonal partings to separate the sides from the back, and this will ensure that everything blends together in the end. Starting in the back, we're taking diagonal subsections that are about 1 to 2 inches thick, and we're blow drying the base. Blow dry all sides of the section, ensuring there's no moisture left in the hair before finishing the midshaft and ends. So any leftover water could make the hair revert back to its natural curl, and your blow dry could become a waste. Use an extra large round brush to get through the sections faster, because you're working with a lot of long hair. So the larger the brush, the larger the section of hair you can control, and that's going to give you speed in your blow dry. And make sure your partings are intersecting and diagonal. This will make sure that all of these sections blend together really well when you brush it out, so you won't have any part lines showing in the end. Look at the shine we've been able to create. We're going to move on to the front using the same techniques: diagonal back subsections, blow drying the base, and then finishing the mids and ends. One thing I always like to suggest is using the cold shot of your blow dryer to really seal the style before releasing it from the brush. The key to a long-lasting style is heating and cooling. So heat dry the hair and then cool it so that you can set the final shape. And this is going to give you a bouncier look and give more movement to your blow dries. It's almost like setting the hair with rollers without actually using the rollers. Now, if you want more curl than this, you can just use a smaller round brush. So remember, the size of your round brush will also determine the amount of curl you create. The larger the brush, the smoother the hair; the smaller the brush, the curlier. So I hope you enjoyed, and good luck.